right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. So, last session we had troubles. We still have troubles. I don't know how to get past this here. There is some symbols that we can't link. Yeah. How do we solve that? Can we see? No, that doesn't help. No. I really don't know how to approach this now. There is even if we fix one, there's still more. There's this guy here. This looks like a constructor. This as well. Well, execute as a function. Delete, new. Do we see? Creating library, this lib. Oh, it's a lib? Isn't this supposed to be a DLL? Hold on. It is marked as shared. CMake, the library, shared, DLL. Add library, shared library, dynamic library that may be linked to other targets and loaded at runtime. Yeah. Add library. Add library. Where is it? Here. So we can actually also put this one in here, by the looks of it. Creating library, lib. Why? Aha. Linking. DLE. DLE, and then it does cd. Shared library. It looks like it wants to create a shared library. I don't know why it creates a lib down here. Maybe it's just an intermediate step, creates a lib, and then it links it into the DLL, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, but I think this simply means that the symbol is not there. There's no library. Is there maybe a CPP in there? Hold on. Where's it? Here, 3D is max. Well, this includes. It's just headers. There's a R file. It's just headers. Headers and lib. I don't know. There probably is a simple answer to this. Okay, let's well, I mean, if I put this into okay, well, actually, let's search for this. Or let's see, maybe we get a hit. Maybe. I doubt it. Let's search for this here. They do have documentation, but this is likely for a much newer version of the Max SDK. Yeah, so this one has also this function. Yeah. So I think we try to search this here. Let's search it once more. Get resource string, find. Oof. It takes a long time. Bruh. It's in here. Get resource string. Yeah. It's this one here. Class task. Yeah, we already looked at this one. I have no good idea why this would happen, other than the library is simply missing in here. That's the only explanation I have. The library is missing. But I mean, core is here. I would assume it's in core. Plug API. Maybe. I don't know. It's not clear. Not clear. clear. Core. I wonder if a wrong library perhaps shadows a correct library. Is that maybe a possibility? All right, maybe. Let's take a look at the libs here. So basically, what if we made this explicit? So we have this here, right? This path. And let's make it explicit here on these guys. Let's take these guys actually. Although it seems unlikely. Actually, let's do it on these guys. Because these are all guys. Yeah. Oh boy. Right. Yeah, let's try this. So now it's really explicit. Right? Let's see. So if this would compile now, it would mean that maybe there is some of these being shadowed by some other library somewhere. Like, I don't know what it would be. Like, I don't know, GFX, for example, graphics. Right? Could be shadowed by some other library somewhere, maybe. I don't know. I think it's unlikely, but it looks different, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks different because it cannot find the library. Okay. Aha. So the path is wrong. Okay. Maybe that's a problem. Hold on. We go in. Oof. Okay, I think what we do is we go into this path here. Yeah. There. Okay. No, that's the wrong one. We go in here, codes, tools, this one and this one, yeah? Okay, and then we do, well, let's do it in here. We take this path, CD, go in there, okay. And then we do a CD that. Let's see, CD that. Well, that has worked though. That has worked. Dependencies. Okay, so the lib is definitely there, but I cannot open it. acap.lib. Let's double check. Where is it? Do we not have it open? No. Okay, game codes, dependencies, max, lib, acap, lib is here. Okay, so it does not find it somehow. Okay, but that's a lead. Okay, that's a lead. Why can it not find it? In which folder are we? Hold on. Which folder? It did here CD. That looks like the expected folder. And then it does that. Oh man. CD. CD, this worked. We CD'd into this one, and it's perfectly fine. And in here is a acap lib. So that's also fine. Acap is here. Man. There's probably a very simple reason again, but I'm not seeing it. What is it? We are in this directory here, and we look. So we are in here, and we go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here, and then dependencies dot max SDK lib. That looks correct. And then it finds in there it searches in these guys here. Lib pass. This one looks strange here. Why is this looking in 5 folders up here? That's what I don't understand right now. Before WinMM. Here, this one. Why is this looking 5 folders up? Huh? We don't tell it to do that. It's supposed to look here. Huh? There's probably like a really simple reason once again for this bullshit. I'm not seeing it. Cannot open input file. Why not? Okay, let's go to our friend ChatGPT. Ask him How do we get current CMake directory? Get current source here, right? Let's put this guy here at the front. Like this. I think. Maybe without this. Maybe like this. Do we need a slash here? What does it transfer to? Ah, that needs to be slash. Okay. Good, then we put a slash here. Let's do this. Oops. Let's do that. No. Let's try one more time. I don't understand. I know I long have water. Okay, there we are. Okay, this time we got a new error. Fatal error. Don't know how to make. Okay, how about we do the following? We just put this on these guys here, the ones that were also in the DSP file. Yeah, put them here. Okay. Okay, and we comment out these guys. Let's see. Let's try that. That is weird. I just want to use the libs, link the libs. That's all I want to do. I know that the setup is shit, but I just want to get it to compile. It's all I want. And then hopefully OmniBlade can figure something out how we get this without the user having to manually like copy paste it in there, because ideally all the dependencies are just pulled in and it just works. That would be the best, right? Yeah. Nope, same thing. Okay, then let's add a lib. .lib. Link library lib. Go. I don't think that changes anything though. Well, let's try it anyway. Don't know how to make, but this one, it's weird. It's different error now. Why? Don't know how to make. Why not? Man. Let's see if there's anything interesting happening here. 3D Max instructions. I didn't submit my review. Yeah. Abandon review. So he's talking about getting this to work by the looks of it. Don't forget to add into the build projects tool chain. I don't know what that means. Download and extract the contents. Okay, that's fair. And then don't forget to add into the build projects the path to include and lib folders. I don't understand. Maybe I'm just stupid. I do not understand this. Let me just add this comment. Yeah. Okay, what do we have now? Now we have the same we have the same linking errors as we had before. Okay, great. Fantastic. Fantastic. So much progress has been made. Yeah. So we didn't really fix anything, right? Yeah. Yeah. So it now explicitly looks here into these folders, yeah. Okay, and it links, but it doesn't link that. Okay, how about we comment out this one? So it was it only, let's put .lib here, just in case it changes anything. It's weird that it complained on ACAP, on the ACAP lib, right? Oh, hold on, let's comment it out. Let's put it back in. Let's stop this here. Stop. Yeah. Oops. There we go. Okay. So now we have all libs in again. If some of these libs are failing, then we just remove the specific libs. How about that? If ACAP is missing, we just comment that out. And then we walk our way and see what happens. Okay. Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe not. I'm not really, I don't really know where to go with this. It's totally unclear. We want to link, we have the libs. It just doesn't work. But the symbol is definitely part of the headers in the Max SDK, so it must be in one of their libs. I mean, if it's not linking, then what can we do? Nothing. Okay. Okay. Didn't complain about ACAP now, maybe because we attached the .lib, but we still got the linker error, so nothing has changed. Same bullshit. Yeah. Good. That means we have made no progress at all. Sure. Yeah. I can't get this to link. I can't get this to link. It's impossible. Pluglib.mug. Win32. So this code that calls this function, let's check this in here. Who's calling this? Anyone? Huh, no one? Who's calling this function? Hello? Huh? No one. That's odd. What about class disk? Could it be perhaps that that it takes issue because what happens if we add this guy, this here, to the other one, to the pluglib, like this, and then we remove the other guys here, like that, pluglib. What happens then? Did that change anything? Changes nothing. Fantastic. Fantastic. It's pluglib. I don't know. I'm inclined to believe that this just doesn't work. I asked the guy who posted this Max version if he got it to link with that thing. Maybe I will get a reply. If he says yes, then that is reason for hope. If you get the same linker error, then maybe there's a library missing in the package. I mean, I can't verify. I don't know what library is supposed to be in there. Maybe it's the whole package. Maybe it's not. It's suspicious. Usually you just link the library and the symbol is there, right? But here we have a header. We have a function in here, and it's just not found. Man, this is so annoying. This is so annoying. Man. So where's this actually called? Who calls this? No one calls this function. Why do we need it if no one calls it? What is this? No one is calling this function. Get resource string. No one. It's not showing up here. Why is it needed if no one uses it? What about this one? Execute. Let's search for. Well, execute is like a really not unique function name, but let's try. Oof. Yeah, that's not helping. Where you can look. Execute. Threads. Word builder. No, I'm not seeing anything. So maybe this one is also not called. Is it maybe possible? Is it maybe possible that we include a CPP that we're not supposed to include? That is another possibility. Yeah. But the problem is I don't know which one that would be, because we don't even find these things that trigger the linker error. Like if this function was called actually, but maybe it gets a linker error because we use the class disk. Yeah, we use a class disk. Maybe that's why there's it wants this, but but then why is it only complaining about this one function? Why is it not complaining about others? Because I think there were some others in there as well, right? If you look at class disk, can we jump to? No. Visual Studio Code is trash, so we can't jump there, but we have it. We have it here. No, it's not that. It's this one here. So let's see. Yeah, there are more down here. But maybe this is the first one it hits, and then the linker just stops this file. That could be. Right. Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to give up. I want to figure this out. Let me check Discord real quick here. Yeah, it looks safe. So here I asked, yeah, it didn't come back yet, no. Yeah, maybe sleeping. Good, yeah. So this function is not called, is not used, but we need to get the symbol, maybe because it's a virtual, it needs to get it. Yeah, maybe. Or maybe because we use a class, it needs to get it. I'm not sure about the rules on there. Yeah. Okay. What else can we try? I think we tried already a fair bit of things and nothing has worked. Nothing has worked. How about we make this public? Then we don't need this here anymore. Make it public. Then can we remove this one? I think. Let's see. Plug lib. Oh, we still have include here. Huh, did we have two that includes? Oh, it's a link. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Let's just make it private again. How about that? Oh man, I don't know. What was the theory that maybe we have CPP that is not supposed to be in here? Yeah. Can we count this somehow? So here we have. So we have 3. Okay. So we have 145 minus 3, 142 files. So many? Holy shit. How's it so many files? Let's see. Oh yeah. 151 items in here. Wow. Okay, 142 items. Let's look into the DSP. How much are there in there? Can we count this? Yeah, we can count begin source file, right? Let's open this in here, and then we count this. 154. Oof. Huh. Let's search for end source file. Also 154. I don't know if that's the right amount. Going through one by one, I think that's a waste of time. What is this here? Huh? It goes a folder up and then it goes into pluglib. So it's equivalent of dot. This is the equivalent of dot. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Export MS? What is that? How? It's not here. What is export MS? MS. What is an MS file? Huh. Huh. Let's Google for that. MS file. Don't tell me it's a Microsoft file. Oh my gosh. What is an MS file? Okay. JavaScript. Maxwell script. Maxwell script. Aha, here. Autodesk 3D's Max script is one of them. Read more about it's a Max script. Indispensable tool for 3D artists. Plain text scripts written in Max script programming language. Okay. Okay, Max script makes sense. Okay. But these don't exist here anymore. Maybe they were deleted or they were stripped here on open sourcing this. But I would assume that they would have kept these because this is code. Yeah. Strange. Okay. But I don't think that's a problem we are seeing here. We're seeing more fundamental problems. Yeah, this linker error is breaking my neck. I don't know how to deal with this thing. It's big. Yeah. I don't know how to solve this. It looks all fine here, our setup. Yeah, looks all fine. Yeah. What is in the diff? That looks fine. Nothing suspicious. Yeah, I really have no clue. Maybe again it's like a really simple thing, or maybe it's an impossible thing. If really a lib is missing, then it's impossible. Yeah. Yeah. I spent way too much time on this one problem. How about we ask ChatGPT? Do you know what precompiled libraries are contained in the Max SDK version or just 4? Yeah. Do you know what precompiled libraries are contained in the Max SDK 4? Let's see. Searching the web. zlib, libtiff, libpng. That doesn't help. No, I was talking about those here. I refer to the max libs such as ACAP, BMM, clients, ... Can you list all of them? Can you list all original library names? Let's see. Searching the web. Okay, it tries the right steps. It searches everything. Let's see. ACAP, a modeler. Let's see if he's right. A modeler, that's not there. Asset management, ATS core. Is he just making up things? ATS core is not there. BitPet, BiPet is not there. BMM, yeah, I gave him this. Bitmap, okay. Composites, no. Core, okay, that's correct, yeah, good. Crowd, no. CUST dialog, yeah, we have this. ED model, yeah. EXPR, yeah. FLT, yeah. Yeah, okay, but this one already lists much more things than what we have. On the version, yeah. I need these library names for version 4. Please give them. Exclamation mark. Send them. Searching the web. I understand you are seeking specific library names. However, detailed information about the not readily available. Oh man. Consult the original SDK documentation. Yeah. Oh boy. ChatGPT. Useless. Oh boy. Yeah, then I mean, it looks very complete. There's a lot of libraries here. 34 libs. Do we have 34 here? Yeah, we do. I don't know what to say. You can search for files when pressing Control P. Search bar at the top of the window. Search bar at the top of the window. Okay, Control P. It's there. But there's no control. Where's the bar? Control P works, but if I remove it, it's gone. Or I have to click here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, well, I mean, it's a really big button. If you know it's there, it becomes obvious. But I look at this and it doesn't look like a button to me. Well, I mean, there's a spyglass, yeah. Okay, wow, yeah, well, I'm retarded. Thank you. I am retarded. Good. Yeah, good. So that's how you search it. Interesting. Oh, that's good. Okay, but that still doesn't help us with our linker error. My gosh. This linker error is a nightmare and boss. This is a boss challenge. Boss challenge, really. Okay. Do we have any good ideas? Any good ideas? Man, maybe I should, like with problems like this, I probably should have live chat, right? And then people can write in the live chat like, yeah, you do this or this. Yeah, maybe we should do that, live coding. Okay, you know what? If I can't figure this out in this session, then I will make one more session where I make a live stream. And then for max 1 hour. Because I have to give up at some point. I can't spend the rest of my life on this issue, right? But maybe someone has an idea. Man. We got a response here. What kind of errors? I went on build with the original and it succeeded. How can I help? Let me paste some. I get these compile errors. Yeah. me take this here. Let me just drop this in here. This. This is via CMake. DSP links to. Okay, okay, are we maybe missing something from these here? Hey, you know what? Let's put these guys in here. Yeah, let's do that. Just to rule out that out. Yeah. I mean, kernel and so on, they should be included anyway, but maybe we're missing something here. I think this one we already have here. I think maybe this one, com dialog. Let's see. Don't think it changes anything. Okay, it's good news that it compiled for you. My first guess was that a lib is missing, but we can rule that out. So we do have pluglib, right? Let me double check. So we have pluglib in there. We have mesh. Yeah, mesh is here. We put them also up here, right? Mesh. max2w3d we had here. Yeah. Max script. And then core here. And geom. And param blk. Yeah. Huh, so what's interesting that param blk is not in here. In this list. That's strange. Okay, let's see what it does now. Same shit. Yeah, no, that doesn't help. Okay, what happens if we comment all these guys and we just put in these guys minus the param blk? What happens then? So that now would match this kind of list here, right? Okay. Man, this is some bullshit. This is absolute bullshit. Why can we not link this? In my previous videos, I got quite a bit of flack from commenters under my videos for not seeing the other issue. What was it? The save disk with C and K. Yeah. Some commenters really found it funny. Yeah. And this is probably the same thing here, I bet. It's the same thing. Someone is probably watching already and sees, you do this wrong, right? Okay, so that's not the solution either. We get more problems now. So we do need this one. Man. It's in corelib. Yeah, I have corelib linked. So yeah, I have core lib is linked. And get resource string is never called. That's some bullshit. There's some absolute bullshit. Could there maybe be a problem with our plug lib thingy here? That it doesn't see this? Could that be maybe related? That it doesn't see this library yet? Then it would complain, right? So what happens if we comment this out? Do we get more errors or not? Let's see. Papa Endro is not amused. Let's counter this with a cry. Where's the cry emoji when you need it? This one. Where's the cry emoji? Here, this one. There we go. Yeah. Compile flags are okay. It's a precompiled header. What is FR max for release? I did set this one. Yeah, these ones don't matter. Plug lib, what is that? Include. Yeah, but yeah, I don't know what this is here. Max for release. FD. What is FD? Let's see. What do compiler flags mean? This flag specifies the directory where the compiler should place the object files. Okay. That doesn't matter. And the other is PDB. Okay. Okay, well, that doesn't matter. Yeah. We did get more linker errors now. Yeah. Okay, so this definitely does something here. What is the problem? What is the problem? It must be some super stupid thing. Some super stupid thing. Man. What is it? Lib. Three max begin. 3ds max. Let's say max SDK and max SDK begin. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to say here. It's we got all libs in here. Everything was linked against. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. But Papa says it works. Papa Endro. I went on and built it with original and it succeeded. I downloaded the 3ds Max, extracted from the ISO and used its contents. Custom build step. What is that? Custom build step. This one? Probably just a copy. Yeah. Yeah. So for him, it also builds a library. Here, creating library, .lib, an object, link, warning, discarded, performing custom build step. Zero errors, one warning. Man. Man. There must be a reason. There must be a reason. When I have not figured it out by in the next half hour, I will just submit it as is, and I will ask Omniblade to check. Maybe he can figure it out. He's smarter than I am. Yeah, I think that's the best step. Offload the hard problems to Omniblade. This linker shit is shit. Yeah. Because I can't even see like what the problem is. Like, what is the problem? It doesn't tell me why it can't link. It just says, yeah, here, take this. It's also weird that there are operators, but only for arrays. It's also strange. Yeah. It's in wwlib. Would it perhaps make sense to yeah, why do we have this one here? Do we need it? Man. It's unhealthy. It's unhealthy. Yeah. It's a lot of documentation stuff here. Perhaps add a more options button instead to open a new window. Yeah, this would be more suitable for more future functions. Yeah. We would need a place in the UI to display it to other users. Maybe we can also add information in the lobby as a tag when options are selected. Yeah. Well, I guess the host decides this, right? So the host makes the match room settings, and then yeah, the guest clients, yeah, they need visual feedback, right? Yeah. No, but I do agree with the approach that there should be like a button and then you have more options, maybe. Although right now there is space here, right? Because this is not so well positioned originally, right? You have the starting cache and then the limit super weapons button here. There's a lot of blank space, so you have some room. But yeah, this doesn't scale, this here, right? Yeah. Good, so, and we still have the same linker error. What did we change? We removed www Vegas. Yeah, okay. And that doesn't change anything, still 5 linker errors, right? 3. Oh, we got rid of the operators. Oh. Huh. Huh. Okay, that's progress, yeah. 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 Okay. But yeah, it doesn't help us because we still have problems. Unresolved external symbol. Param block desk 2. Param block desk 2. This looks like something from Max SDK. It also contains this, yeah. Okay, we got rid of the operators. It's already at least something. And let's remove this, yeah, good. So we have winmm, pluglib, winmm, pluglib, and this. Max SDK. I have no idea. It said nothing else. Yeah, I mean, how would Papa know, right? Yeah. For him, it just works. For us, it does not. And I don't know. Let's look at the DSP once more. Which target did he build? Which target? Which target did you build exactly? Assuming he built the top one, Win32 release, which might be selected by default, right? The first one. So maybe he used this one. Actually, we can probably check based on his image or information. Let me see. Let's just search for this guy here. That will tell us. Not found. Well, there we go. Pluglab is one DSP I had to add to the max DSW. Huh. Pluglab is one DSP. Max for release. Max for release. Max. Okay, this one. Pluglib, mesh, max utils, max scripts, BMM. Core, geom, yeah, param. Okay, this one is what we got. Yeah, logo, no logo, Windows, DLL. DLL. Does this one do anything here, the DLL thingy? Well, it's probably what we have as shared, yeah, add library shared. This one is this, I guess. Yeah. Okay, that's not the error that we have. max4 release. max4 release. Plug lib. This is what we have as well, right? Max plug lib. Yeah, we have that. We have an include, yeah, and the include max script, yeah. Then we have win32, this, and we also have this one defined, yeah. Then we link against plug lib, yeah. Mesh is here, yeah. Max util, max script, BMM. This one, core geom, this one. Yeah, it's all there. It's all there. Subtract link, what is that? Begin custom build, target pass, run, target name, input pass. Man, I don't know what the hell is wrong here. I don't know what the hell is wrong. Let me just copy. Here's the CMake for our max to w3d. I currently have message. Yeah. I tried all sorts of things on the Max SDK libs, and nothing changes. The linker errors. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It doesn't work. Okay, so I think we have established that that bullshit down there doesn't make any difference. So let's put it back to that. Oops. There we go. All right, good. This one didn't change anything either. Yeah, I don't know. Got rid of some. That's good. Is there maybe something wrong in here? Plug lib, static. Plug lib. Let me see. Plug lib is link lib, yeah. Let's look for. Man. I can push one moment. Let's see. So we added these guys, asset call and auto run. They were okay. WL, that was okay. Yeah, so this one at CMake for asset call, auto run, and WL setup. Commit. Okay. Then add CMake for max2 for max2w3d. Yeah, let's commit that. Yeah, okay. Okay. So that is now located at GitHub, this one, and CMake build. This one. Max SDK goes to Max SDK goes to this. Include. Currently goes to hold on. Save. I hope that he takes one look and then has a solution. I give it 20 more minutes. If I can't figure it out, I will also just send the link to OmniBlade and here I pushed my shit. There's a fat linker error. Figure it out, my man. Go ahead. I have no idea. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. So it does start linking. Yeah. It doesn't complete linking. Yeah. Okay, but at least we got rid of 2 of 5. So that it says 3 unresolved externals. It's not much, but it's enough. One is already too much. I have no idea. I really have no idea. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I wonder if adding this dev file here causes problems. Because it's not really a source file, right? Would that cause problems in any way? Probably not. I would hope the compiler only compiles CPPs by default. But who knows? Maybe it does something wonky. I'm desperate, so I'm trying anything, but seems unlikely. Yeah. Okay, we have a different error. Cannot open file max2w3d dev. Failure during build of exports file. This one here. Okay. So it needs to be part of sources so it can do this thing here. Okay, what happens if we don't do that? Again, I'm desperate. Let's see if Papa has any advice. No? Papa is quiet. Yeah. It's too bad. It's too bad. I think Omniblade will figure it out. Yeah. Figure it out. Let's see what the progress here is on these icons. They have been very popular the last days. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I have to say, they get better and better here, the icons. I really liked The once yeah, once more. Why are there empty ones? what is this? I don't like this one. This looks strange here. This looks nice. Yeah. 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 It's also not bad with the bevel emboss. Yeah. I think the contrast is a little bit too weak. Could be a bit more, but I really like the shape and the look of it. Yeah. But it's lacking contrast. Needs to be stronger, I think. Yeah. Plus, the icons, they feel a little bit bright, no? Maybe it should be the other way around. The button should be darker, but the symbol should be brighter. Right? I think. Whoa. Oh, so real science here. What's going on here? Yeah. Yeah. So what did we start with? So we started with these icons here. These icons. Not very visible. Here, these icons. That was the start. Now we are here. Yeah. Yeah, I think they can make this discussion longer. There could be a couple hundred more mockups. Yeah. Well, it's a big decision. I mean, these are faction icon buttons, right? So better make them nice, right? Okay, so we still got the compiler error. What did we actually change? I already forgot. Ah, we removed the def. Yeah, doesn't make a difference. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I will write to OmniBlade. I pushed. By the way, did I mix anything up here regarding this? There are no CPP changes, right? Yeah. Yeah. I pushed asset call auto run WL setup max2w3d. I cannot get max2w3d to compile against the Max SDK 4.2. Let me give him the link once more here. This one. But Papa, what was his name? Papa Andrew from Times server said it worked for him with the DSW file. Where is the solution file? So something I do wrong. No idea. I cannot this to link against the max2w. VS6 WC solution file. So something is wrong in the CMake setup. No idea. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I can't figure this out. Sometimes we are just defeated, right? This is one of these moments. I'm defeated. I don't know how to solve this problem. It's probably something stupid. But okay, I pushed my change. It's now on my fork in the branch. So if someone is smarter than me, then they can fix it maybe. I don't know how to fix it. It's mboss. Yeah. Yeah. CMake is not my cup of tea, I have to say. It's not fun. Yeah. Okay, but I gave it my best try. Good. Sometimes we have to be happy with our failures, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't think I will pursue this further for now because I have no clue. I don't even know where to start looking for this kind of problem. I don't even know how to ask ChatGPT for any help on this. I mean, ChatGPT will say, yeah, you're missing linking a library or something like this. So I don't know. Maybe it's like a really maybe it's a very specific setting in here that does that. Like this MD, for example, maybe. No, MD is default, I think. MD warning 3 includes. I mean, it doesn't look so suspicious here. I don't know. No. I don't know. Okay, how about we spend a bit of time here on the topics to see if we can look through some. I do not understand this. Okay, those two chain projects need the SDK mentioned above. It's a different folder. You need to set up the include and lib path correctly. Okay. Oh, I still don't understand it, but I give him a thumbs up. How about that? Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Omniblade says something. CMake is part of moving away from VC6. If we wanted to stick with it, we could just make the existing solution work. Huh? CMake edit for CMakes for, what was it? For these. Done. CMake for this compiles, but fails linking. Max SDK is not properly hooked up in CMake. Good. Closed discussions. Large Bing videos. What is this screenshot? What's this yellow series error? That color, wow. That's amazing. Very low priority. Upscaling, cleaning up some 0-hour videos. 4K. Wow. 400 megabytes for the intro video. Why? Why? I'm amazed about the quality. Wow. File size. So heavy. I mean, my question is why make such a big video file? The intro is maybe 1 minute 30 long. 500 megabytes. 4K. Nationalism. Infantry say and write patriotism. It's a good point. Let's listen in on these guys. Let me mute here the thunderstorm sounds. Let me enable this so we can listen to the desktop. And then we go to projects, Superhacker, files, loose, data, audio, sounds, German. Yeah, let's go with English first. English, good. I read you. 3C.
Our patriotism will show in battle. Our patriotism will show in battle. Patriotism will lead us to more victories. Our patriotism will overwhelm the enemy. General, we have completed our elite training. Our patriotism will show in battle.
So it's a Red Guard upgrade. What about nationalism then? Say and write nationalism. Infantry, say and write patriotism. Okay, so this is infantry general.
Patriotism will lead us to more victories.
Yeah, okay, where's the other one? I read. Let's see, I think we can find it in game files. Here. Let's search here. Yeah. Patriotism will overwhelm the enemies. Red Guard voice upgrades. Red Guard voice upgrades. Upgrades. Okay, here we have nationalism. Nationalism, audio event, nationalism. I read you too. I read you too. There we go.
Nationalism will bring us victory. Stun bullets are ready, sir. Nationalism will bring us victory. Patriotism will lead us to more victories. Our patriotism will nationalism will bring us victory.
Okay, let's find this on the other. Let's start with a German. I read you. I read you too. Okay. I read you too. Okay. German. I read you too. I read you too. There we go.
Nationalismus bringt uns den Sieg.
Yeah, that's also nationalism.
Wir werden den Feind in die Knie zwingen. Wir sind Patrioten. Wir werden siegen. Wir sind Patrioten. Wir werden siegen.
Wow, there's really a hard like click in there, right?
Wir sind Patrioten. Wir werden siegen.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Wir werden nicht zurückweichen.
Oh, this is bad.
Wir werden nicht zurückweichen.
Oh, my God.
Wir werden den Feind in die Knie zwingen.
English was also like infested with errors, but this is
Wir
extreme.
haben unsere Elite-Ausbildung absolviert.
Whoa. Jesus Christ.
Wir werden nicht zurückweichen. Wir sind Patrioten. Wir werden siegen. Wir werden den Feind in die Knie zwingen. Nationalismus bringt uns den Sieg.
Yeah. Okay, these sounds are really bad. Unbelievable. I mean, ignore the robot voice. Well, hard to ignore that. The robot voice mangling, that's part of the censorship on the German release, which is terrible. But there are uncensored versions of this, so it's not all bad. Okay, I think French should be much better. I think French has actually the best audio quality, better than English. I read you.
Le nationalisme nous donnera la victoire.
Okay, also says nationalism.
Notre patriotisme aura raison de l'ennemi. Le patriotisme nous mènera de victoire en victoire. Notre patriotisme fera la différence.
Okay, then we can say that nationalism. I checked English, German, French, talks, says nationalism and patriotism, says patriotism. So looks like you can use nationalism for China and patriotism for infantry general. Let's say you can use patriotism for this and nationalism for other Chinas. There we go. Please do this in an isolated change. For all languages consistently. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. Multiple units can collect single crate. Next, Polish helix name. Let's see, Ukrainian fixes. No correction yet here. Okay, blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay, looks good to me. Korean. How do you know this fix? How do I know his fix is good? Let me see. Files changed. Okay, he added a space. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty safe to me. He just added some new lines here. Yeah, I mean, what's the harm? Either it's empty or it's gibberish. So I guess this is fine. I will approve this here. Oh, I can't approve it. Because I opened it for him. I approve this. I cannot press the button because I opened it for DM Green. Actually, hold on. Korean look. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I don't think this needs extra documentation. It's like really inconsequential. I don't even know if these strings are used. Yeah, maybe they are, maybe not. Well, there's one thing. Do you also add this string for other languages? Perhaps it would be better to do all languages for this and this, etc. in one change, and then add a documentation that we have added these strings. For the other languages, perhaps it would be better to do all languages for this, etc. in one change, and then add the documentation that we have added these strings. Yeah, this is how I would have done it. I would have done like all languages here in this blocks in one go, and then I would have added information like a comment like edit translations for US, FR, ES, IT, KO, and so on. Because then, like the next time we look at this thing, we see, we touched this thing, we added, so these texts are our own. So maybe they need more scrutiny than the original text, right? And then you also know, aha, German was already there, so that doesn't need scrutiny, right? So like it gives a lot more information when you think about it this way. Like, okay, how does it help me when the way I add these things? Like just adding like this and without an information, the next time I look at this thing, I'm like, okay, this must be an original string. There's no documentation here, so must be original, right? I don't know. I would have to check like Git history to figure this out. But I would assume that most people who will view the string table, 90% of people who watch the string table will not look through the Git history to figure out that this Korean string was added. But they would know if there was a comment here which would tell it, right? And then you can go ahead and make this for all languages in one go, which then would also be easier to review because then now you can see, aha, okay, English is like this, French like this, all in one go, right? Like, okay, does the English one compare to the German one and to the French one, like, right? Because like then it's easier to review when you see all at once. When I just see one here, now of course Korean I don't understand anyway, but if I would see now, if I would see English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, yeah, these three, I could roughly say if all five are correct. I'm not like expert here in these three languages, but I can understand, like, you know, if they compare reasonably well to English and German. Yeah, so I can understand German and English, and I can like deduct like the meaning from these three. It's close enough. Right, so this would already help a lot, like all in one block here. Now obviously here for Russian I can't tell, for this I can't tell. And Portuguese I can also tell. That's similar to the Spanish. Yeah. Yeah, I think this could be better. Like, I'm not a fan of this, like splitting it up. But this is what I had him suggested because he made a huge change. But basically, there are two ways of touching. There are two ways of touching localization this file. Either you make a change where you touch like at this block for all languages, or maybe two blocks for all languages, right? You fix all at once because they all belong together, right? Or you just touch one language exclusively among multiple different things because they all share the same kind of error, right? So for example, every sentence is missing a dot at the end, right? And you want to add a dot, then you can go through all these strings and add some dots, right? Or maybe that's a better example. Let's say all the English strings, they say a wrong word for some specific tooltip. And you see it on many, many different tooltips. And you just go through the English and you fix all the tooltips and you're done, right? All tooltips fixed for English. Because it's an English-specific error. So you do it there. But here, this one, the missing TBD is not an English-specific issue, right? This is an issue that affects all languages except German, right? So that's why here, in this case, you can touch the whole block, right? That makes sense, right? What is this, by the way? Why is French different? French wanted to be special. They put a 2 here. Yeah. 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 Yeah, could be better. But okay. Let's see. Good. Update Polish name. The new China helix name change is now consistently fixed in all Polish strings. Helix instead of spiral. The new China helix name is now consistently fixed. I think it does. Okay. I appreciate that he touched the. You can leave the date. You can leave the date. Yeah, because otherwise it repositions in the changelog, in the generated changelog. Yeah. I don't think it's necessary to add this here because it's already covered here. China Helix is now called Helis. I think this sentence is already implicit with the one above it. Yeah. Can remove. Yeah, but this is correct. Yeah, adding the second link here, and you can add your name here too if you like. Yeah. Channels str. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. We got a Polish gentleman who has reviewed it, so that's good. That's also good. Yeah, good. Yeah, I think that looks good. Submit review. Yeah, let's actually sort by this one here. Unwrite. Rocket emoji. English and various localization fixes. Yeah, I think this is a big one. Okay, this one is being reviewed by El Tío Rata. Yeah. Chinese traditional. Okay. Re-edit the dots. Okay. I trust that he did it. This does not need documentation. It's just a test string. Yeah. Yeah, we need a Chinese person who looks over these things. Maybe. Hold on. I think this would be good to fix for all languages in one go. Yeah, again, it's the same thing here. Like you have the same error on every line here, so it should be in one change. Yeah. What's this here? Huh. Obsolete change or obsolete comment. So this also should belong to the other change than what I was previously talking about. And then basically it's one change. You can then say changes US, FR, this. Or just say adds missing text to this. Done. One change. Same here. All this one change. All this can be one change for all languages. And then you have just one comment here which says adds these things. Done. That's the simplest change to do here. Yeah. We saw the same change in Korean as I mentioned there. I think it would be good to have one change that adds these missing strings for all languages except German, because that already has it. Yeah. I think what you can do is you can open a new review with all the changes in one batch, and then we can submit it, and then he can just rebase this change onto the new main, and then these changes, this diff will be gone. There will be some merge conflicts, but you can just say, okay, accept the other. And then the only change that will be left over here is, yeah, actually this whole change can be all combined with Chinese and probably some others into one change. So there probably won't be a single Chinese or Korean change that does things in isolation. Yeah, this can be splitted much better. If DM Green cannot do it for some reason, then maybe I can do it, but I think it's rather straightforward to do this. I mean, I think he already has a file where he has all changes combined, and then we said, okay, we want to split them up into individual languages, because he made like 5,000, he fixed 5,000 lines for Russian, and I think 1,000 lines for Ukrainian or so, and then a bunch of others for the other languages. And I think for Russian, it absolutely makes a lot of sense to have like this huge split, right? But then there are many other changes like this one where you just need to have this one block fixed for all languages, right? So as I said, there are these two different kinds of things. But yeah, for Russian, I think he touched a lot of things where he didn't touch the other languages, and there it perfectly makes sense to just have Russian with a lot of individual fixes here and there, which don't even need to be documented, because Russian is a community language, so it's not deviating from a status quo, right? Okay, then I think I will pause this video here at this point. Let me submit this review. Yeah, it doesn't help that I have opened those pulls for him, because then I cannot approve them. Well, I can still merge them here. I can click this button here and then I can merge. But yeah, I would have liked to press the approve button. I mean, in principle, you can submit it like this, but I'm not a fan of this, as I said. Because also here, if you add these comments for every language, then you have 8 comments here, so 9 comments instead of just 1. Yeah. Okay. Got an answer here from, I don't know why, but the difference is obvious. Symbol and core. He says it's obvious. He says obvious. He says oh, obvious. How is this obvious? There's an H and there's a J. How is this obvious? For me, that's not obvious. Oh boy. The difference is obvious. How is this obvious? Aligned malloc. Okay, I didn't have this one. Okay. Report it to OmniBlade. I can't with this shit anymore. Fucking linking. So, man. I find it so funny that he says it's obvious. Okay, that was really funny. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. A lot of frustrations in the session here with the linker errors. Yeah, but okay, I think we will, and eventually we will figure it out. OmniBlade will figure it out. Yeah, let him do it. Okay, I think in half an hour we have a programmers meeting, the first one ever. I think there never was one for a 0-hour programmers meeting, so that will be interesting. I think I will make a recording. Yeah. All right, then wish you a great day or night. Bye bye.